Discipleship. Who is a disciple? A disciple in the Christian world is an ardent follower of Christ. Discipleship then means making other ardent followers of Christ. I want to tell you a secret. This is the secret as to how to kill your ministry very fast. Don't tell anyone. Here is the secret. Don't make disciples. Yeah, don't tell anyone. But also, if you want your ministry to outlive you, to outlast you, the secret is this: make disciples. Jesus said, go and make disciples. Matthew 28:19. He didn't say go and make, I don't know, people that are groupies and whatnot. Disciples. Which means go and cause them to learn to follow me as you follow me. Okay. So there are some questions that we need to ask ourselves in our quest to make disciples as worship leaders, because we are also disciple makers. And these questions, I'll just share a few of them today. Number one, am I living a life that is worth reproducing in others? Is it worth the other person's while to follow me? Because if it is not, then I am not making disciples. Therefore, I must work on my own life to make sure that my life is worth reproducing. Okay? Nyoka hazai samaki. Binadam hazai paka. That's the way it goes. So I must make sure that my life is worth reproducing in others. Number two, am I okay with others getting the attention? Attention is something everybody likes. And sometimes as you disciple people and they begin to look like they're getting better than you, and all of the attention goes to them, it is easy for you to think, amekuwa na kichwa siku hizi. No, hajakuwa na kichwa, ni wewe. It is you that is teaching them to become all that you have become, but also as disciple makers to outdo you. Jesus said to his disciples, greater works than these you shall do. He didn't say, I am the boss. You shall always be one level beneath me. Yeah, so that's a thing that we need to work on. The other question, number three, who am I pouring into? This means to be deliberate. You cannot make disciples of the general public. You have to go deliberately identify who it is that you are discipling. Jesus called the 12. Yeah, he didn't ask for volunteers. Hey, any volunteers? I want disciples. You are no. He went and called Peter. He called Andrew. I'm sure there were many other fishermen in Galilee, but Jesus didn't call all of them. He called the ones that he discipled, because he had a plan for the redemption and salvation of the world after his death and resurrection. And you and I would not be Christians today if Jesus did not disciple those men. Okay, number four, am I reproducing my lead pastor's vision? You see, as worship leaders, it is easy to have my own vision. My vision for grandeur. I want to be known as the best singer in Mombasa County. No. As you serve under your lead pastor, get to know his vision. Reproduce it so that even those that you work with know exactly what the vision is and they are working towards that. And lastly, if I were to be gone for 2 months, who would take my place? Are you able to go on leave? Or are you so busy because you have not raised anyone to do what you do and do it even better? If you were to go away for 2 months, what would happen? You are a very happy person if you can take leave as a worship leader. So, discipleship is important. Oops! Discipleship is important. Thank you.